Welcome back to another BQE video. Today, we're going to see what's going to happen. All right. So, I called Holly up. Oh my God. I don't know where I had that camera turned. So, I called Holly up and they told me what could be possibly wrong with the computer not being able to sync up with the other computer. And we did it at work today. And we're just going to see if I can get this baby to link up. And if it works, I'll tell you guys what we did. And if it don't work, it looks like I'm giving Holly another call tomorrow. Alright, so let's start out by saying what will happen. So I can have my ignition turned on and I'll plug up my thing and I can hear the doodly-doo, you know what I'm saying? I can hear the doodly-doo from the software, from the computer, but I would never see anything installed. And I was always like, man, what's going on? So I dived in deeply to the computer and it was just like something about a driver. A driver wasn't installed. But today I saw something completely different when I re-downloaded the system. But I got to put a jump mark to this thing. I just realized that. And I'm going to give this software another try. All right, I'm back. We got, oh Lord. We got to turn the ignition on. Now what we're gonna do is sign in to the computer. We're gonna X out of this baby. We're gonna X out of that girl right there. Go over to the Holly. And now we're gonna go to open, because I already have a data log in there. Not data log, but a tune saved. And we're gonna go here to see if this right here, this offline thing, goes away. And as you can see, it's still not, it worked. USB link. That's what we needed to see, ladies and gentlemen. So now if we wanted to save a tune or whatever, which I do want to save this exact tune, we're gonna go over, I just want something up. We're gonna go over to USB link, and then we're gonna go to freaking send to ECU. All right, guys, this is day 2 of me trying to film this video. Yesterday, my storage was full and my video got corrupted. It's still recorded, but there's no audio and it's filmed vertical, or however you say it. It's filmed vertical, so it's all messed up. But I wanted to show you guys what we figured out here at the BQ shop. Let's get you on a tripod. Like, we figured out. So if I turn my brightness up, all right, I can. Protection, we're gonna hide that because I don't really care. Now we're gonna open up the Holly Terminator system. So what I learned was, in order for me to connect to the Holly, you guys knew my problem. I couldn't connect to the Holly because of a cable, so I thought. The actual problem was me having to re-download the software on my computer. So let's just go to gauges. And right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug it up. We're gonna hear the little doodly-doo. If I can find the right way. Doodly-doo. Alright. So we're plugged up to the Holly. So I think. Let me go back and look. Now this baby says USB link. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says USB link. Now at first, it did not say that at all. It did not say USB link at all. It would just say offline. And I'm like, what do you mean offline? You shouldn't be offline. So I called the guys. Oh yeah, you see that green light? Let's see if it says, I don't have any line pressure, I guess. There's not enough gas in this baby to do anything. But the green light means I'm online and I am connected. So if I do start the truck right now, I can see all of my gauges and all of my fuel pressure things and stuff like that. The problem with it was I had to delete the software entirely off my computer and re-download the software. If you guys have a problem with the USB link for your Holly, restart the software. I promise you it's going to work, hopefully. Because I'm like, man, I know it's not my laptop. But one thing I found out yesterday is I can do an output test. So I can go do an output test and check this out. Listen, listen, listen. I know this isn't good, but I'm going to do it. We can turn. Oh, God, I didn't put some gas in this thing. But we can turn everything on and off. And I'm like, man, I wired up my fans, but I never tested out my fans. So I went up here. You can turn the fans off, which that's blowing pretty good. And also, you can turn the other fan on. That's kind of gangster, I ain't gonna lie to you. And you can also turn both of them on at the same time. At the same time. I turned one off and both of them cut off. Let's try that again. Okay, we'll figure that out one day. What is pulse? Okay, I can't do nothing with pulse. What is? Okay, but this is just a quick update to assure you guys that I am now able to use the Holly system, and that I do have I do have a tune downloaded already to the Holly software. I just can't start it right now because, as you guys saw in the other video, I had a pretty serious oil leak, and that's for me not putting the turbo drain on. At least I know we're getting oil pressure. I'm not mad at it. But I did get water in my transmission because I had the freaking funnel, the transmission funnel up, and I guess it rained really hard one day or a couple days here in North Carolina, and it got water in it. So I did buy some stuff for that. I'm going to drain it, redo it. Got a reusable pan gasket, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to do this a lot. But stay tuned for the video, guys. I mean, this isn't the best video, but it's an update. But like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.